Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to add the structured data needed to help your Squarespace website qualify for rich results. If your Squarespace website is appearing in Google search results as a plain blue link, you're missing an opportunity to stand out. Rich snippets are enhanced search results that can display additional information such as ratings, reviews, FAQs, product details, business information, and more. These enhanced search results help your listing stand out and can improve click-through rates from Google search. Many Squarespace stores have schema issues such as missing review markup, invalid, structured data, incorrect review properties, theme or app conflicts. These issues can prevent Google from showing review-rich results even when your products already have customer reviews. Instead of manually adding and maintaining JSON-LD code, you can use our Schema Markup solution for Squarespace. This tool automatically adds Schema Markup to your Squarespace store with no coding required. Now let's look at some real results of our clients. These are websites using JSON Schema App. First, you'll see how they appeared as standard Google listings, then watch them transform into rich results with star ratings, product information, pricing, and more after implementing Schema Markup. First, create an account with the JSON Schema app. The app will scan your website and analyze your existing schema markup. It will identify any warnings, errors, and missing schema that may be affecting your SEO. Next, complete the setup by filling in all the required details and copy the generated schema script. Next, log into your Squarespace admin dashboard. Go to the website, click Pages, then click to Custom Code and select Code Injection. Paste the generated schema script into the appropriate section, then click Save to apply the changes. Now return to the JSON Schema app. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL, open the Rich Results Test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review rich results. Also, you can validate it with the Schema Markup Validator tool. Simply copy the product page URL and paste it here and make sure everything is working correctly. Manual schema implementation can be time-consuming and difficult to maintain. That's where the JSON Schema app comes in. It automatically adds structured data, fixes schema issues, monitors markup changes, and keeps your schema updated over time so you can focus on growing your business while the app handles the technical work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.